How do workers' comp settlements work? Hi, I'm attorney John Sheehan. Since 1993, I've represented thousands of injured workers and car accident victims throughout Massachusetts. I fight to make sure that each client receives all the compensation and medical treatment that they're entitled to without getting taken advantage of by an insurance company. Well, the workers' comp insurance laws are different in each state. What I'm going to talk to you about is just relevant to Massachusetts. In Massachusetts, the settlement process starts off generally with your workers' comp lawyer sending a lump sum demand, a lump sum settlement demand to the workers' comp insurance adjuster. And that is usually done at a time in the case when the injured worker has reached or is approaching what's called MMI, or maximum medical improvement. It's where you've pretty much have received all of the medical treatment, physical therapy, rehabilitation, in some cases surgery and post-surgical or post-op rehab that you require to treat the work injuries. Settlement negotiations start after the insurance adjuster reviews the lump sum demand, and the adjuster will start off by extending a settlement offer. And usually in the course of a negotiation, there's give and take, and your workers' comp lawyer will send a demand that gives your lawyer some wiggle room to negotiate. And the insurance adjuster, likewise, when they start off the negotiations, will make a settlement offer that is less money. It's lower than what they're actually prepared to offer at the end to settle the case. And your attorney will go back and forth negotiating until they reach a point where the insurance adjuster gives a final settlement offer. At that point, your attorney will present the offer to you, go over what your options are, make his or her recommendations whether or not it's a reasonable settlement offer. And if your attorney recommends it and you want to follow your attorney's advice and accept the settlement offer, then the insurance adjuster in Massachusetts has to get what's called employer consent. There'll be some settlement paperwork that you have to sign, and you'll go with your attorney to a hearing, a lump sum settlement hearing. It'll be either before an administrative judge or in some cases an administrative law judge at the Department of Industrial Accidents. The judge will make sure by questioning you that you understand the terms of the settlement. Cases can settle in Massachusetts two ways. The majority of cases, at least the majority of cases that I handle, settle on a what's called liability accepted basis. The other way that cases settle in Massachusetts, workers' comp cases, is, and this is the exception, but it does happen occasionally, is the case will settle without liability. Once the workers' comp settlement is approved, whether it's liability accepted or unaccepted, the insurance company under Massachusetts law has up to 14 days to issue payment. They'll issue your attorney his or her attorney's fee and reimbursement of their out-of-pocket legal expenses, and they'll issue the net settlement check to you. If you've been injured due to a work accident in Massachusetts, and whether you're receiving workers' comp benefits or perhaps your workers' comp benefits have been denied, terminated, or modified or reduced, you should contact an experienced workers' comp lawyer to discuss your case to see what your rights are and what further benefits you might be entitled to. If you'd like to contact me, it's easy. You can call me at the office. The number of our office appears below this video. You can send me an email. The email address appears in the description below this video. And if you prefer, you can visit my website where you'll find contact forms that you can fill out and submit to us. And I'd be happy to reach back and talk to you about your work accident, what your injuries were, what your medical treatment you've received, where you are in the claims process, and what additional steps I would recommend to make sure that you receive all the compensation benefits that you're entitled to. And if you found the information in this video helpful and informative, please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell icon below to make sure that you receive notifications on my future videos, and share this video with your friends and family.